the long-awaited day has finally arrived. It's time to make my M3 shout even more and install my new Armytrix exhaust system. So guys, there it is. This is the old exhaust trophy. It's a custom straight pipes decat exhaust. I'm going to fit right now my new Armytrix, which is still straight piped and decat. But the good thing is that just like on the GTR, the exhaust will have the silencer, the valves, and I can control everything with the remote. So whenever I want, I can make the car less antisocial. When I ordered the exhaust on the Armytrix website, I had two options. I could have opted for black exhaust tips just like on my old exhaust, but considering that everyone loved on the GTR the bluish titanium tips, well, I decided to go for the same spec also on the M3. The finish and the color is absolutely gorgeous, and I think that it will look pretty epic on the rear of the M3 as well. Guys, the moment has arrived. It's time to fire up the M3. It's freaking loud! You can hear now the M3 is with the valves closed, and yeah, the idle is very quiet. I think it sounds like a stock M3 E92. If I press the magic button to open the valves, well... well, this is the idle with the valves open. Valves closed. You can really hear a huge difference. This is with the valves closed. It really sounds sweet. Sounds like a stock M3 E92. But obviously, if we open the valves, this is just ridiculous. It's a good thing I have a remote that I can use to control the valves. And now I'm gonna show you the difference between driving the M3 with the valves on and off. As you can see, with the valves closed, this car is quite acceptable. Now, valves open. This is just way too much. Just in front. This is DEFCON 1 War!